Hi students, this video is to show you the ways to see your feedback on Schoology and on Flipgrid. So if you're curious, how am I doing in the class? How are my scores? What can I improve? This video is to show you where to find that information. So I'm logged into our Schoology class page on a laptop. I think you can also see this from a phone, but it will look a little bit different. So on the side, you can click on grades. And here is where you can see your grades in the class. So for this student, the overall grade is 77%. You can also see by unit. So right now we have a pre-unit. That was the first 3 weeks of class where we were just getting everybody ready. And it was really more practice. We also have Unit 9, which is the unit we're in right now. And you can see all the activities. And we, in the future, will have Unit 10, 11, and 12. So for the pre-unit, the only important assignment is the SMART plan, the first draft. And what you would see is you see these 4 boxes. This is the rubric. That's the criteria that I'm going to use to grade your SMART plan. Now, I haven't finished checking all of them yet. So for this student, there's no score. It's because I haven't checked theirs yet. But I'm going to open the rubric. So I'm just going to click on these boxes. And here you can see the criteria that I'm going to be using to evaluate the SMART plan. Is it uploaded to the Schoology portfolio? I'll click yes or no. Are the name and date updated? I would click yes or no. Is the long-term and short-term goals filled in? I will click yes or no, and then that will give you a total score out of 10 points for the SMART plan first draft. So you can check yours and see if you have it there yet, but if not, don't worry because I'm still grading them. So Unit 9, we have a lot of activities. So you can see your scores on all of them, the points. And if you are not happy with your score, for example, I see I got 5 points on this one, but there's 10 points total. I could click on this, it'll take me back to the activity, and I can try again. You should have 5 chances on all activities, and if that's not enough, send me a message and say, Kaylin, I need help with this activity. Tell me the name of the activity, and I should be able to reset it for you so you can try again. So the other thing you're getting feedback from me on is the discussion board. So the discussion board, we have one every week. You share your ideas and opinions, and I am giving you a score on that and comments. So we can see here, this one is share your ideas and opinions. There's a 7, that's 7 points. I can click on the rubric, and you can see exactly where your points are. So here's the criteria, and this student got a 1 for that criteria. And you might also see a comment here, and you can click on it or hover. Actually, you don't need to click. You just move your mouse on it, and you'll see the comment from me about why you got that score. So you can look at the detail of your discussion board post grade. So this one, there's no score. It's because I haven't graded it yet. I think it's the one that you did yesterday. So you'll be getting feedback on that soon. The other one, I'm going to also be giving you grades now for your Flipgrid videos. So for Module A, the one we did last week, I gave you a score using a rubric. So again, you can click and you'll see the criteria and you'll see the score and a comment. So that's how you can check how you're doing on Schoology. Another very important place to get feedback is on Flipgrid. So now I'm going to go to Flipgrid. So I'm going to go to my Flipgrid, oops, not my English lab, my.flipgrid.com. And let me just log out. You always want to log in with Google and make sure you choose your Carlos Rosario Gmail address. So now you're signed in. You should see your name at the top, and you'll see all of the videos that you have recorded for your class. So these are some I've recorded last semester and some for this semester. And you'll see right here it says replies. I have one reply. Somebody recorded a response to my video. So I want to see it. So I'm going to go to my class, ESL 8 Evening Fall 2020. And I'll see one of the topics that we did before was tips for distance learning. And I want to find my video. So I see my video here. And down here, there's a comment that says 1. That means one person responded. So I clicked on it and I scroll down. And here I see a response video and I can listen to it. You're the only one who can see your replies from the teacher. The other classmates can't see your replies. So I'm on mine, but you would go to your video and you would see a response from me. And in my response, I'm giving you feedback on your speaking. So that is an important place for you to learn how to improve your speaking. I also, when I record it, send it to your Carlos Rosario email. So if you check your Carlos Rosario email, you might see the video in your email as well. So those are the two main ways to easily see how you're doing in the class and how you can improve. Go to your Schoology grades, check your activities, click on the rubrics, look at the comments. And of course, you can send me questions or tell me if you disagree with some of the scores. And the second way is through my Flipgrid response videos. So you go to your Flipgrid page, find your video, click on reply, and see my response to you. Good luck.